chocolate, eh?
I cook the food.
Right. Control these eggs.
Exactly.
Oh.
Forgot if you were around when I realized that.
Alright, got the milk, got the sugar,
Got the
salt,
water?
got the butter.
Okay, sorry, okay.
Take it back.
Okay.
You didn't
I
say
take it
it.
back.
Okay, take it back. Ooh, jeez. Ooh, that's so good. Oh, a little bit of plastic You want one tomato slice? I don't know the difference. No. How do you like your onions? This way or like cut up?
I don't mind either way, as long as it's like family. He's cooking. This blue day.
You want ham and turkey again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too this way. Some bacon on there would be awesome. I was gonna do 3 slices of each.
That's whatever you do. That's I'm good with that.
I'm not mean to yell at you.
When?
Just now.
It's just fine, babe. It's all good. All right, cool. Hello, I am in the park eating a minute steak laffa from my boyfriend's job. It's really good. Look at it. It has strip steak, some zhug, chopped salad, red onion, and some kind of sauce, maybe tahini. Maybe like a tahini sauce or something. But it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I just finished delivering pastries in Atlanta. I had a pretty short delivery day just because a lot of people ordered like 2 things or 2 boxes, so it was fewer drop-offs, but like a lot of product. But yeah, just chilling now. Never met a girl with a mouth like this. No. I swear I can sing better than that. I swear. It's just that whenever other people can hear me, my voice just doesn't cooperate. And so, I don't know. I feel like I just need to like figure out my singing voice. But time to head back home.